Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I just wanted to open my Trend Mood box with you guys. So I don't buy these very often, but I saw one that really intrigued me. The only other one that I have bought is the First Aid Beauty one for the skincare. And the reason why I bought that one, I don't know if you guys remember, but the reason why I bought that one was because I love First Aid Beauty. So there is a QR code in here and it says scan me. So I don't know, maybe I'll try to scan it and see what it means. Let's see what I can find. Okay, so let's see where this takes me. Okay, so it takes me to the Trend Mood box page, but it takes me to the wrong one. So the one I got was the Nabla box. So anyways, I do like Nabla shadows. I've got a couple of Nabla products, so I'm excited to see what is in here. So let's see what I find. So we have a couple of palettes, a Nabla card. This says 30% off at Ulta. I'll just go ahead and, I mean, I don't know if the code will work. It says that it expires on July 31st. So I got this maybe, I mean, this, I probably got this like a week and a half ago, and it says it's good through July 31st. I think a week and a half ago it was July 31st. So there's that. So that's okay. It's whatever. But if you want the code, I will give it to you. It is Nabla30. So you can try to use it and it may or may not work. So there's that. All right, so I'm going to go a little backwards. I'm going to do the eyeshadow palettes last. So we have this, which is Body Glow Nabla. So Body Glow Nabla, and this is the Max Relax. And it is, what color is it? It is a darker one. And it says that it's Max Relax. So let's put this here and I will see what the color is. So that is the color. I'll put it on this hand since I'm going to swatch those palettes. And it blends nicely into the skin. So I feel like that would be a nice color. Oh, and it smells really good. It smells like coconutty. I feel like this would be a good color for me. I mean, I'm not super light. That could be an issue. I don't know if I would want it to be leaking. Here, let's put it on my arm. Oh, it does smell good though. It smells really good. So that is what my hand looks like, so you know that it's definitely gonna color you. It's definitely gonna put color on your skin. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my fingers off, just because who knows if I'm going to use any of this stuff. Okay, so this is Viper Lip Plumper. And I'm going to get my lips all cleared. So I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Okay, so Viper Lip Plumper. Look at how this is the component. It's really cute. It's got a snake on it. So I'm going to, so it's like a yellowish color. It smells sweet. And we'll see if it is burning. All right, so it's not burning yet, but I do taste like a minty, cinnamony kind of flavor. So it has caffeine, capsicum, ginger, menthol, vitamin B3, and tripeptide 1. Provides immediate and long-term plumping with an emollient, antioxidant, and nourishing action. I mean, yeah, I can feel it like kind of heating up a little bit. I don't know. I have pretty small lips, and for my lips to plump up from a lip product would be very interesting. I definitely think that would be interesting. So I have this long wear multi-use style. Stylo Color Intense. This is Arrow B5. I'm assuming this is an eyeliner. I have 3 of these. So we have Cupid's Arrow. So this is either, that's a really pretty color. So this is either an eyeliner or a lip liner. It could be either. I don't really know, and I don't think it tells me. It says longwear multi-use style, so maybe it's for anything you want to use it for. How about that? This one is in the shade Arrow number 7. So I don't know. This is a darker color. So like a red type of a color. So you could probably use this for eyeshadow, or you could use it for eyeliner, or maybe even lipstick. I think if you use it for lipstick, you definitely want to, if you're going to use it for lipstick, I think you definitely want to, what do you call it? You definitely want to, here's another one. This is like a navy blue. Oh, that's really pretty. These are all really creamy. They feel really nice so far. I don't think they're gonna drag, so that's definitely good. I like the colors. I'm gonna leave them there and see if they dry down. That's helpful to know, because if you go to do like an eye look like this and it dries down, you're kind of fucked. Like literally, once you get it on your lid, if you don't know that it's going to do, if you don't know it's going to dry down, you're kind of screwed. So these palettes are really cute. This is the analog one. And I am excited because, like I said before, I do like the Nabla formula. I want to say I only have one palette as far as I can remember. These are cruelty free. It says it has an 18-month life. But I have noticed with eyeshadows that if you don't take them out and you don't expose them and you don't use them a lot, they're gonna last a lot longer. So there is that. So it's got a cute little mirror. And this is the colors. I do like the colors. One of these almost looks like if it's a, I'm gonna put it right here. But one of these looks like it's almost like a satiny color. So we have the first shade, well, I'll do them all three. So we have dark room, overexposed, and contact sheet. So I'm gonna do those here. Look at that shine, wow. Now that one is a multi-chrome. That middle one is definitely a multi-chrome. And this brown is almost like a creamy formula. It's weird, but I bet you it's gonna look really good on the eyes, so. And I really like that deep, dark brown color, so I think that's pretty. And I don't have a lot of those types of shades. I mean, you would think I did with all the crap I have, but I don't. All right, so next we have camera roll, noise, and 35 millimeter. So we will do that there. So that's more of a matte formula. Ooh, that's pretty. High shine. Very high shine. That one though, that's multi-chrome. That is beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so there's that one. And then the next one that I have is this Midnight palette. And this is the reason why I wanted to get this, this Trend Mood box. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful? So I am pretty excited about these. Looks like I've got more than one multi or duochrome in here. So that's exciting. Okay, so I will say that the mattes on this palette, this blue seems a little more like powdery. So this blue seems a little more powdery. So we have Blue Hour, Air, and Marseille. Yeah, Marseille. So I'm gonna separate these a little bit. We have wow, that blue, that middle blue is weird. It's like, it's almost like maybe a satin. It doesn't really look, I thought it was gonna be more of like a shiny shadow, but it's almost a matte. So that's interesting. So next we have the last three in this palette. And this is my excitement for these three shadows is beyond crazy. Look at those, holy fuck. Okay, so we have Sapphire, Alma, and Quiet Storm. Wow, that's freaking lovely. Look at my finger. That's pretty too. This palette is like almost unmatched. Look at that. So it looks like it has two mattes and then the rest are like really beautiful shimmers. I am excited to have this palette. I do not have a lot of shades, even in my single shadow collection, that are these shades, so that makes me happy. between the two palettes, I feel like they're pretty original, especially for a company to make. So those are beautiful. I cannot wait. Oh, and can you see the colors? Those are gorgeous. So, 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 so pretty. All right, so those are all of the things that I got in my Trend Mood box. So I just want to say thank you so much for being here. I really, really, really appreciate it. And, okay, and my lips. I don't know that they look plumper, but they feel bigger. So, I don't know. I don't know. Is that a thing? They feel like they're bigger, but they probably aren't really bigger. So, that's okay though. That was everything that I had for you. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.